Hello Artbugs, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, a big fat welcome to you too. So today I am going to share with you all how to draw white hairs. At first you need to lightly shade the part of your page where you want to create white hairs. I have shaded this part with HB pencil. If you have 2H or any H pencils, that would be even better. Then you have to use any sharp eraser or any eraser's sharp edge to create the white hair effect. I used Tombow Mono 0 eraser, and now you can see how I am doing it.